Okay, 400 barrel assembly. You grab your barrel, you put it over your key, and then you just tap. You get your other flange, same again, put it over your barrel. Just tap it down. Up to you, you can use 3 screws or 4 screws. With most assemblies we use 3. Put one on that side, you put one on the opposite side, and when you put the screw, make sure it's closer to the bottom of the flange, and then one straight down the middle. But as I said, you can use 4 screws if you like. Flip it over. Same process again. We start at the top where the label area is. Put it down towards the bottom. Opposite again. Same at the bottom. And there you have your spool assembly.